Kipa nong Shnong Rwiang ringkat, but ka jingkashan ng kaseng Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association West Khasi Hill District MCTODA WKHT minta kasngi kila pelong ka jingi kendu lang bat kinong penyat ke Kharkhana sanar kabadan Rwiang kabala tip kumka Mr. Shri Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited ka jing temu hi kalong banyakran hakabedai bat ki jing don kam ni ki jingdawa kabaka Shnong kabu hakaman katai ke Kharkhana hakani kasngi ledon lang arun jane bat kiwe kibalawan ban mikman nakabenta katai ke Kharkhana kat ba nakaliang ka Shnong ledon lang uba w yau panyau sordar ka Shnong Rwiang ringkat kiwe kinongkit kam ka Shnong Rwiang nangta uba masklanda marngar bat kiwe kidukhan jongka MCTODA WKHT kiba lakershan ratba ya ka Shnong ki katu katni ki jingdawa jongka Shnong ki kentum ya ka sub center ka school ka ombam omdi ka khut ka suba ka thungkam thungjam ka bayai bet yai renti kumjuru la dawa pandet jurup lang ya ka khut ka suba ringkat ka jingdon lang ki bor ka district ki bana ka tanat ka environment ki nong thok khubor pat kiwe ha ka bakun ka jingakran kam shim la poi shaka banya so thu jingmun namar ka Shnong khalak keno baute u arun jin uba la mikman nakabenta ka Kharkhana shipang ula kamila di kum utrai penban sa shipang ula kentat ban long trai kumta ka Shnong kala dawa ba uba day trai hok unwan syakami ka jingakran bat katpa ka Shnong kampat yo yakite ki jingdawa ki balabo hakmat u arun jane lingba ki jingtho ka Kharkhana patla ban plie ong ka Shnong Rwiang katba habayakran pat u arun jane ulong pa ka jingdawa jong ka Shnong on le bat on ai hekita kaba ka Kharkhana ka dei hok ban ai kumju wat kiba dei hok ban ai ru ka Kharkhana kan khmi banya lakan le kumnu lom kumta ka Kharkhana kan la ban khangdu la da ailad ban plie biang
Receive is only one, our cup of tea. Because running an educational institution requires a lot of paraphernalia, which is not possible at all, and it was not even given any commitment at the time of public hearing, to the best of my knowledge. I have gone through the public hearing matters. It was only the promotion of educational activities, which we have taken a little forward during our initial days, and even after that we've distributed school bags, we've distributed bottles to the children, we've had some awareness programs here, whereby the judges had come here. We have all those photographs which we can give it to you, which substantiates that yes, certain type of activities were undertaken. Now considering the growth here, the social economic growth in the in this area, Rwiang, and adjoining areas, people have really flourished here and their children are going to good schools now. So the basic thing that the school is required to be built, it is something which does not augur to our chapter.
Kaba naklunjungi kadoba Shnong ngadawa yakini kimat bagi sa ai kopi sa ka factory Rwiang tekat kum kaji akan jungi hakane ka meeting bamantaran kad bat kinoktre jong company nakaling jong factory kamse makran siya yangi nagni ka Shnong Rwiang haba dai bat ki point ndu ka point ban ko handu ka point ka ba ndrew dai nakling jong company ka suong ba ngin sa le kine ki dawa ka jungi dai parking parsimeta kan ong bangin le no ikane Poi ka khia bo kongsan ka ba nglabu kamat ka baningkong ba kadai ba ngidawa na ka factory ba kadai ban bu yak we ka shop center po ju ka Shnong Rwiang ki nama po Shnong po thau jing paton wat ka we ka school ru te na ka ju ka Shnong Rwiang dawa na company ba kadai ban bu ru yak school po ka Shnong jingin ba bangi sim jing e ki khon jungi menta baro ka bangi fa school nya fa shabal ju ka Shnong Rwiang ka ba lak ta sha ka ju jing step jung ki kimi ki pa baro kam ta me ka Shnong ga thau te ka point ka balai ru ka jindawa ka jungi na kane ka company ba kadai ba penbiang yaki umbam umdi ban penio maman laki tloyeng ngin mama shu ban bu menta namar ba nakajing pentu jakre jogene ka factory ni fly ash ke balawan ra ngi bangi ta shu bu stok ka haying ru kan la shu bandi namar ba kajing penjakre jogene fly ash kumbalong kisem ke baladep ke tungkam ka tungjam kalong ka ba itorti hadu kata-kata kitang syutung kat bamon laki be kat bamon hai kajing kwa jungi ka dabar Shnong ru menta ba katungkam kontungjam ke de balong ka basai aba ngitungkam ru de balong da ka jingtho ka basai aba ngi be ru ngi be da ka basai namar ba aba ka jingsu ka jing tedaru ka de balong ka basai ken ha ka ba ngitungkam tungjam ka company ka de banle khoj ya boro ki sau kun jong kane ka factory ka de ban ka kularu ya kane ba ki de banle ban don kita ki storage ban bread ki jakle baro ba mi ne factory eklen jongi ka doba Shnong ngidang i4 ki ba ki de banle ekane but kadoba Shnong ka bu ka jing ka part ka factory ba ya kene kimat ki dawag jungi kine ban poi hak chikan bat umalik kada kaling ju malik muslim awan ban ekran makmat bat ngi ya kene ka jing dawa ka jungi ngam la ban pedeng yano bawan ban ong ba ande ban chim ka jing ba kli na uta nu tre jung u naris goyal ande ngi kwa ba naris goyal wan hi shakmat ba kadoba Shnong ban keren hi dal jung utrai ya kene kimat jing dawa ki jungi to habede bat kene ka jingwan jong ne i arun jong kane ka factory Rwiang ba ka jingwan jong ui hak ne ka por mer ki kran ha pedeng jongi ka darbar ba ki kamila de ba ngade umalik te sipang u kamila de ba ngade umalik sipang ade ngamde umalik tek ba pelong ngi ka dabar snaru ka basolongo adu kata-kata sipang ba ine di malik da u naris goyal sipang ba ngade u warun ba de malik jukni factory te pelongo ngi ka dabar snaru adu menta ba kami kerja kerja jungil tentang kampus ACA to habai day berkaneru kado bar Shnong kala dawa ya ka company ke di banwan ra alang yu director kami cingkra bengkar barjung naris goyal bandup tip namar hadu menta nginem tip u director jung kani ka factory hai local director namar ba ngimpat tip hadu menta te kaneru ngi dawa ka bar Shnong bang di banwan ra ya u local director tenekling kado bar Shnong kala dekren shine duki media ki ada bro krai tarik ba ada u malik umpat wan hakami cingkran haka do bar Shnong Rwiang kado bar Shnong ka continue bet ban khang shuai ka factory anda umalik lawan ke jekran kata yang saya perkat na kumui pat kalenti
ni manjur bat ni la manjur hida barok Shnong ya kaba ngin pentri kam ya kini kam ba company kan le ya kini kam barok bat ni dawaru ba kumbang ila bu kan jing tho ba lakum no utrai jong kan company un pun urlong ya ni kimat jing ya kran ke jing hapo jong ka life husni ka ba ila yo ya kaman bu
Villagers have always been pretty friendly with us for the last 10 years. Whatever problems have arisen, we've immediately solved it. This time, they simply came on the 13th of March with a huge crowd stating that shut down the industry. And they came and they create a ruckus type of a situation where all my staff people, they were all scared. And then the plant was shut down. And the plant is shut down since 13th of March. It's almost 3 weeks now. And there was no official intimation to us that we have to shut down the industry. But anyhow, we could not resist. We had to shut down, so we shut down the industry. Now, after the industry was shut down, we were trying to contact the Basti people to know why this shutdown has been asked for. And ultimately, till today, we haven't received anything official, but unofficially, we had a meeting today on my request. We just wanted to know what are the reasons for which the industry has been shut down. So it was quite, it was beyond our comprehensive power to understand why the industry was shut down. We felt without rhyme or reason, these things have been shut down. But when we asked the headmen and the village people, they could not reply as to why the industry was shut down. And ultimately, with the help of definitely a few friends of theirs, they got to give us the reasons. And the reasons are beyond the commitments made during public hearing. So there are most of the things which were committed during the public hearing has been attained, and particularly there was a big commitment for the pollution plant, which constitutes and comprises electrostatic precipitators for the power plant. We've got three such precipitators which controls the total smoke of the power plant. Then we have made a huge investment in the public this thing, pollution control device, which has costed us more than 3.5 crores of rupees. And thereafter, time and again, we maintain the pollution plants by replacing the filter bags, and the same process is still on. If anybody wants to examine, come and see, they can come and inspect what activities we are performing to maintain the pollution control. So now, whatever the demands they have put, some are really very practical, which we will definitely look into it and try to analyze. And we would request them to come sit with us, have a one-to-one talk as to how things can be put into action, curbed in a systematic manner with proper budgeting. And if it suits our end, we will definitely go for it. There are certain demands which are beyond that also, beyond the public hearing, for which we will definitely look into it, which will benefit everybody, especially the Basti people. So I'm still at a loss why the industry was shut down, and now we will try to request them to give us the permission to restart, and so that one by one we can take up all the matters related to this. And I think things should move on smoothly. And if they still insist, no, the industry will not run here, then we'll have to wind up and we will shut down the industry and we will go away. That is the last resort. If we have to take recourse to that, there will be no alternate but to go back. So now it all depends upon the Basti people and the administration as to what they want from us. And we are hopeful that it is a very small, trivial things which can be sorted out at their level only. And if given a chance, we will definitely try to solve the problems and to settle the issue with them. Though there is no such issue, we have all the alternates to curb all type of pollution, which we have been doing. We have been maintaining that, but because of certain reasons, there was a lack of, what should we say, not lack of supervision, lack of outside conditions which are beyond our control, not assisted by the people of this area, this district, for the transportation. So we had to, there was no alternate. We could not manage the way we were managing. So our fly ash that used to go to the cement industry regularly, right from the silo where from we collect the dust, we put it straight to the trucks, and the truck used to go straight away. There was no pollution as such. Because of the transportation problem, we could not transport that, and that created a little problem, and which is controllable. So we will try our level best to cope up with all the conditions, and let us hope for the best.